Well, hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, I'm happy that you're here. Well, today is another home on my home search journey. Instead of doing a modular or a manufactured home, today I'm doing a stick-built home. By the way, I just want to thank all of you guys for coming along on my journey for looking for a home. I've been getting so much great feedback, and I really appreciate all of you guys saying that you would like for me to continue doing this. So this home is the Hudson by TrueHomes. Once again, it's a stick-built home. This is the first floor. It is awesome, you guys. I'm going to show you everything, and this is the floor plan of the second floor, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, when you first walk in, it is a big, beautiful living space. This is a contemporary type of home, so I'm just letting you know it's a very open concept, but it is a nice size living room. And I'm not going to show you the garage. It's a two-car garage because that's the office where the home builder is set up at, because this is a model home. But the first thing I'm going to show you is a coat closet, and I'm from the north. I'm living in the south now for about 7-8 months, but I absolutely love a coat closet. I don't know if you guys can appreciate that, but we appreciate that in the north. But this right here is a crash zone, which is perfect also. It's sort of like a mud room, and you can get that built in. Absolutely love it. This is the powder room on the first floor. Now guys, look at this ceiling height. It's 9 feet. Awesome. Now, I thought that came with this home, but they said you do have to pay for it. But to get 9 feet on the whole, first floor, it's only $1,200 more. So yeah, that's definitely worth it. But I just absolutely love this powder room, the really high height. And it's a nice powder room. It has a pedestal sink and everything. It has everything you need, but the floor is lovely. And this floor runs throughout. But yeah, I love this crash zone. You can get this, or you can actually have that space and put in one yourself. But it does come with that as a part of the build. This right here is the dining room. A lot of people don't really care about dining rooms. I love a dining room, and this dining room table doesn't look that big, but it's pretty long. It's sort of chunky, but it has a lot of space, so this is perfect for me. I absolutely love dining rooms. And there's a window there which brings in a lot of natural light. Of course, you probably have to do the chandelier as an upgrade. I don't know what they give you for the builder because it's the model, but you can get that later. But I'm just showing you where the stairwell is. Now to the kitchen. Yes, the granite is beautiful. Found out that's an upgrade also, but who doesn't want granite in a new home? And it's not that much expense. It's like about $3,000 based on what you're getting. Now, I definitely will show you everything in the kitchen because a lot of people said I wasn't opening the cabinets. But just to let you know that this comes with the sink and the island. I know a lot of guys don't really like the sink and the island, but I love the island. It's big and it's beautiful. And yeah, absolutely beautiful. The island also has the dishwasher also there, guys, so just letting you know. But I want to pan back and show you a full view of the kitchen. Just wanted to open the cabinets because I got a lot of feedback that I wasn't opening the cabinets. So the microwave is over the stove. The backsplash is also an upgrade. And that's basically what I can remember about the kitchen. Everything else, these are 36-inch cabinets, but they said you can do the 42-inch cabinets if you're interested for an upgrade also. There is no Lazy Susan in this corner. I did notice that. I know a lot of people like that. And once again, this is the island, and there's the dishwasher. The one thing I really liked about this kitchen wasn't just the large Unicharge island. It's really bigger than it looks in here. But I love the surround for the cabinets for the fridge, because you know that if you wanted to get a really large French door fridge or door like that, you could have the space for it. Now this room is right off of the kitchen. And this is a beautiful room. They call it a flex room with TrueHomes. This could be used for an office as they have it set up here, but you can also use this as maybe a den or keeping room. I absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. Now it does look a little small, but believe me, it's sort of large, and it has these big beautiful windows, but I absolutely love this room. Now here's the back door, and they do have a patio, so I just wanted to show you guys that. This one is a little bigger. They give you a 3x3. This right here is a 10x12, but we're gonna go right on upstairs. I love these stairs because it's actually a landing here, and I like that, but also there's a window, so it brings in all of this natural light. Awesome. Now when you get to the top of the stairs, you'll see there is a few rooms up here. There's 3 bedrooms up here. I'm gonna also show you the extra main bathroom, and they have the laundry room on the 2nd floor. Woohoo! I love that. I love a laundry room on the top floor. But these are just where the furnace and the hot water heater are kept, in those utility closets. And this is a hallway leading to the laundry room. Here's the laundry room on the 2nd floor. I love that. I really like this idea of having a laundry on the 2nd floor. I'm on a 1-level house right now, but yeah, to have it on the 2nd floor would be absolutely awesome, because who wants to keep going downstairs to the laundry room or going to the basement to the laundry room? So I think that's a really great idea, and it's perfect. It has enough storage, so I like that a lot. Now we're going to this awesome area right here. But before we do, I'm going to show you the guest bathroom, or the main bathroom, some people like to call it. This is a really nice size bath. It only has 1 sink, but you can actually get 2 sinks in here if you like. But if you do, you'll lose something that I'm going to show you in a minute. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the storage there. And upstairs, it's 8-foot ceilings, not 9-foot ceilings, so I just wanted to bring that up also. But this is a nice size regular main bathroom, a guest bathroom, some people like to call it. I like the deep tub, so it's perfect for kids, especially your guests. And it's just a regular surround, but you can get that upgraded to tiles if you want, like a walk-in tile shower. And that's the lighting that comes with it. That's pretty standard. It's nice though. And the tile floor. And also, I love that they have a linen closet in here. And I know a lot of people don't like the wired shelves, but you can always switch that out later. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Not like a linen closet. But here is the lovely loft. Now, this loft looks sort of small, but it's actually bigger than it looks. It's sort of like that flex room downstairs. They have 2 large chunky desks. They have this loft set up like it would be a place for children to do homework or study, for college kids, high school, whatever. So they have it set up that way, but I absolutely love this. I can see this having a sectional or a sofa in here as another living space, and it's right off the stair wall. And it brings in all that natural light. So I just want to show you guys that. Yeah, I love this loft though. Lofts usually are sort of like offset from like a catwalk or something, but because they have that half wall, it does lend itself to more privacy, and it won't carry over noise so much, which is why I absolutely love it. Now here is one of the bedrooms, one of the 3 bedrooms. Nice. And I like the windows. This one is set more in the front of the house, so there's a lot of natural light coming in. This is a queen size bed, so it's definitely big enough to have a bed, a decent sized bed with the nightstands and everything. That would also be included. What I'm gonna do is go back to the corner and just stand in the corner so that way I can pan out and show you guys how big the room is. So it's a decent sized room, fully furnished. Here's the closet. I definitely wanted to open that up for you guys. As you can see, it's not a walk-in closet. It's just a regular step-in closet. And now we're just gonna move on to the next bedroom, which actually is right next door, so the rooms are separated from the master. This one is a full-size bed in here. It seems to be a little bit more narrow, but it's a little bit longer. But it's still big enough to get whatever furniture you would need in the room. And as you can see, it's a little bit more narrow, but it's a little longer than the other room. But it does have nice big windows for a lot of natural light. And this one does have a walk-in closet. And I know it looks yellow, and that's because, yeah, they painted it yellow for the model home. So no, my camera isn't playing tricks on anyone. That's just the way it looks. But this is a nice size closet. And here is the master. And the master's room is, of course, the biggest. It's really nice. I like the way it has a lot of natural light coming in also. And it's enough room, definitely. It has a little sitting area, but it does have a king-size bed and 2 chunky nightstands. And it has windows on each side of the bed. So it's really nice as far as, you know, the light is not dark or anything like that. And it's a decent-sized room. I know a lot of people like a really, really big master, but this actually would be fine for me. Now I'm going to maneuver around these little benches in the front of the bed to show you another view of looking at it from the bottom of the bed to show you how much room there is. So there's nightstands, but yeah, there's still room over there, so I like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you the master bath. They set this up with a nice amount of storage also. It has double sinks in here, and there is the, you know, the regular builder grade counters. You can upgrade those if you want to granite, but they do have the regular storage on the sinks, but they also have some drawers in the middle, and there's 4 of these, which will be great for organization and keeping your counter space clear. They also have one of these large garden soap tubs I'm going to show you in a second, but I love the fact that they have a window in the bathroom. A lot of modular and manufactured homes may not have a window in the bathroom, and then you won't be able to open it, but this one you can. I also wanted to pan and give you a view of the light fixtures, but yeah, this is a nice size garden tub with the surround. You can actually switch this out, they said, and do a walk-in tiled shower all the way to the ceiling with the bench, or you could switch out to have the shower separate from the tub instead of the shower tub combo. Yep, and this is the closet for the master. And it is a nice size. I'm going to walk all the way to the other end. That way I can show you how big it is. I know it has wire racks, but you can always switch those out. And it's actually high enough, of course, to just have more than one, you know, level. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So this home, I like it a lot. It's like 2,069 square feet, but it can run up to 2,200, and you can do more flex, and it has so many options that you guys would probably absolutely love. So thanks again for coming along for the ride. I'll continue to put some of these up. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. I know it's a DIY channel, but I really appreciate you guys supporting me and helping me out with all the feedback. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.